This video covers how to use the Quick Query view in the DVT Eclipse IDE. In order to open it, use the Ctrl-Alt-Q keyboard shortcut, or right-click in a source code editor and go to Show, Quick Query. In this view, you can query the compilation database and quickly retrieve information about your project, such as types, macros, or compiled files. Simply start typing to filter the list. Click an element or use the up or down arrows to select, then press Enter to navigate to it. Matching is done on any of the underscore separated segments of the element's name. You can even combine such fragments to quickly shrink down the list. Star matches any sequence of characters. For a full spec of the available pattern syntax, check the link in the video description. Specify a query key to enforce a particular kind of element. Content Assist is available. The key must be followed by the column character and the search pattern. You can also easily search for a particular module, typedef, or class. Additionally, several UVM-specific queries are supported, so that you can quickly find, for example, all the UVM agents or UVM drivers from your project. Check the links in the video description for the complete documentation of the Quick Query view and all the available query keys.